depositing optional, referrals optional, daily mining non-existent. This is basically the opportunity we have with Neptune token, right? Basically all you have to do is follow the video I'm telling you right now. I'm going to be showing you exactly what to do from A to Z on how to get your free $1,000 worth of Neptune tokens, right? Exactly what that means, what released means, and what non-released means on their particular app, right? The exact step-by-step way of going for, going through the process so that you can get your free $1,000 worth of Neptune tokens, right? So without any much talk, let's just get straight into my phone screen. Let me show you exactly how to go about this, right? So I'm just going to search for this Neptune network over here, Neptune network. Then all you're going to be doing is clicking this first one. The URL says neptune.bet, right? So when you click on neptune.bet, if you just search Neptune network, or I'm just going to be leaving the link in the description box below or the comment section, right? So let's just load up. All right, so basically once it's fully loaded up, right, you're gonna see here where it says AI driven DeFi, the future of decentralized trading and whatever, right? So what we're interested in is this particular place that it says download for Android, or you can just download for iOS. I don't know why it's not loading up right now. I'm having poor internet connection, right? But this gets it on Google Play. It's not actually working because I believe they have not deployed it over into like Google Play, right? So I'm just gonna click on this download for Android. So once you click on that download for this thing, it's gonna show. So basically, as you can see here, the Android, the APK file, the app, file is being downloaded, right? So once it's done downloading, I'm just going to show you how the inside looks and how you should actually go about it and get your free $1,000 worth of Neptune tokens, right? So guys, it is finally done downloading, right? So what we're going to do is just to click on it, normally just click on it, the APK file, and it should open up, right? Let's just click on it. So it's staging the file. It says for security reasons your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps, blah blah. Just go over to settings and allow that source, right? Just click on this Chrome allow and then click on install, right? Very simple, very fast. Don't worry, the application is actually a very low risk application. I've actually done my background check and all of that, but of course it's still very much advisable to do your own due diligence before hopping into any platform or whatever, right? So here now, app installed, right? So I'm just going to click on done, or rather open. I'm just going to click on open, and this is the application, right? So as a new person, you probably don't have a wallet, so I'm just going to click on this create wallet, right? And once you click on create wallet, it's going to show you a special key that you're not supposed to share with anyone, because this is how you're going to be able to get your wallet back. If, for example, in the case of you need to log in through another phone, or you need to log in, not with the device you use to actually create it, right? So because this is a non-custodial wallet, so you actually need some kind of very secure way, right? So let me just click on that create wallet, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So basically this is how it looks. Of course I'm going to blur this stuff out because it's not supposed to, nobody else is supposed to see this stuff, right? So I'm just going to click on this copy key. Once you copy the key, save it somewhere, right? So I've copied my own key. I'm just going to click on next step, right? Next thing you should click on is next step. But you should also, I advise you to read all this stuff, read everything you see over here before you actually go forward to do whatever you want to do, right? So once you read all this stuff here, it says please keep your private key safe, blah blah, just like what I told you guys, right? So I'm just going to click on next. Now next, you're going to please enter a password, repeat the password, and then you're going to type this stuff you see over here, right? In this place here, this enter confirmation code, this is what you're going to type in, right? So I'm just going to create a password quickly. So once you're done with all of that, it's going to show this congratulations, blah blah, and then you get in, right? So as you can see, this is how it will look like for you, right? It's going to look like this, 00, absolutely nothing is showing, right? So as I was saying, absolutely nothing is showing, 00, right? So basically how you're going to get your free $1,000 worth of Neptune tokens now. You're going to click on this arrow here, this arrow over here, this blue arrow, and once you click on that, it's going to show you where it says bind invitation code, right? So this code showing on the screen right now is basically the code you're going to be using you're going to be binding here, so you can get your free $1,000 worth of Neptune tokens. Of course, it's completely free of charge. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to come here daily or anything like that. Just bind the code and you can leave the app and nothing concerns you. Like, you don't care anymore. It just keep incrementing after every 5 days, right? You just keep releasing little by little. I'm going to show you what I mean by releasing, right? So this is the code. I'm just going to type it, then confirm, right? Confirm. So once you're done with that, just like I told you guys, once you come back, you can see that now I actually have $1,219 worth of Neptune tokens, right? Neptune tokens over here is about 5,000, just like that for free, right? You don't need to do anything and all of that. You can see here, not released 5,000 worth of Neptune tokens and released 0, right? So basically all you have to do is nothing. You don't even have to do anything. Just leave here, leave this place, and every 5 days, this place that it says release, right, is going to be from this place. They'll be releasing this little by little for you over here, right? And that's how you actually make money into this from this platform, right? So basically what you do is, once they release it to a certain level you like, or perhaps the most profitable threshold you need, or the minimum withdrawal, you're just going to convert that NT tokens. Now you're going to convert it to USDT. How do you convert it? You click on quotes over here, then click on this exchange, right? Click on this exchange, right? So once you click on exchange, you're going to see the NT tokens over here. Currently, as I'm recording this video, NT tokens is worth, one NT token is worth over 0.2 USDT, right? Or US dollars, right? Since USDT is a stable coin based on the US dollar. So if you come here, we can click on this max because we have 0 released. You can see over here, the smallest we can actually withdraw is 4 NT tokens. So basically you can come over here, do the math, whatever you want to do. Let's say you have like 100 NT tokens. You can see that it's about 23 US dollars worth of NT tokens, right? And they release it every 5 days, and that's all. You really don't even have to mine. You don't have to tap on your screen or whatever. You don't have to do anything. Just do this stuff I just showed you right now, and that's all. It's just complete insane passive income, right? I told you there are 3 ways to actually earn here. You can earn through by referrals, which is completely optional. You can earn by just doing what I just showed you now and leave it to just grow on its own, and whenever it's enough for you to withdraw, you withdraw your money. You literally did almost nothing for it, right? And also you can also earn by Defi, right? Let me show you what Defi actually means. So this place that it says Defi here, you're gonna click on Defi, and basically Defi now is you're kind of increasing the liquidity. Like you're gonna have to be depositing at least 100 USDT or at least 1,000 TRX, whichever one you believe is better for you, better investment, right? So basically you're just securing a much more like standard fee or standard return every 5 days. If you deposit $100 of USDT or 1,000 TRX, whatever you deposit, that's the least you can deposit, right? Using the Defi method now, you're going to be getting a guaranteed 2.5 NT tokens every 5 days, right? Guaranteed for the rest of your life. That's how it works over here. But for us now that really don't even have the time or money to be putting inside here, want to test things first, you can just do what I told you. It's completely free. You don't need to refer anyone or whatever. But if you want to earn more, you can refer. It's completely optional, and of course based on whether you want that or not, right? So that's just basically how it works. You come back to this wallet, to increase this stuff now, to increase your earnings. You can still follow them on X. You don't even really need to follow them. Just click on that X button, allow it to just load up on your phone screen a little bit. Allow it to load up, just allow it to just load up for a little bit, and you don't even need to follow up, right? You don't need to log in, you don't need to create any accounts. Now it's loaded up, it's here for some time. Let's just leave it maybe like 5 seconds. You can see this is their official Twitter account or X account, right? So if I go back now, you can see, boom, it's added. Now I'm at $1,700 worth of NT tokens, right? So if you click on this Telegram as well, you can click on Telegram, their Telegram link, and you don't really have to even do anything, right? So basically, you don't even have to do anything here. Just, once you click on it, go back again, and you can see, boom, here it's now at $2,000 worth of NT tokens, right? And basically that's it. You can click on the NT tokens, bets, whatever. Then you can see, let's see if that actually increases our earnings any more. Let's go back, and yeah, it does not increase any earnings. So that's just basically what you can also do to increase your earnings without any referral, without anything, right? Just click on these two buttons, stay there for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and come out, and that's basically it, right? So basically, just like I have said from the beginning of the video, this is completely risk-free. It's completely free, right? You don't have to mine, you don't have to do any like daily checkup or daily mining or whatever. You don't have to log in. All you have to do is just follow the steps, do exactly what I told you to do, leave it for like maybe a month or so, come back, claim your stuff and whatever, right? And just move on, right? You're not depositing any money. Don't deposit any money. Don't do anything that relates to wasting your time or depositing anything. Just do what I told you to do, and let's see how it actually goes for you, right? So if you actually want to know more about Neptune token, you want to go further, you can of course DM right down in the comment section below. I'm going to be answering you, and I'm going to consider making a much more in-depth video about how to actually go about this stuff step by step, right? So if you like videos like this, of course leave the like button. That's the reason why it exists. Subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and I'll see you next time I upload.